What if you could run a global business from your laptop, without ever owning a physical store? Welcome to the world of digital sales, where your next customer could be just a click away. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to legally start a digital sales company, and make it profitable in 2025. 1. Why digital sales? Low startup cost, global scalability, and 24/7 revenue generation. You're selling digital products like eBooks, online courses, stock photos, software, memberships, etc. The digital product market is expected to surpass $400 billion by 2027. 2. Choose your business model: SaaS, software as a service, recurring income. Info products, low cost, high margins. Affiliate marketing, no product needed. Print on demand, digital orders, physical fulfillment. Choose what fits your passion and skill set. 3. Select the right jurisdiction for your company: US, Delaware, Wyoming. Great for SaaS, credibility. UK, easy registration, Stripe, PayPal friendly. Estonia, e-residency, fully digital, no residency needed. UAE, Singapore, tax efficiency. Choose based on taxes, banking, Stripe, PayPal access, and local laws. 4. Register your business, step by step. Choose a name and check domain availability. Register with the local authority, e.g., Companies House UK, LLC in US. Get a digital business address if needed. Apply for EIN, tax ID if necessary. Open a business bank account: Wise, Mercury, Revolut Business. 5. Set up your payment gateway: Stripe, for card payments in 135 plus currencies. PayPal, still powerful for trust and ease. Paddle, Gumroad, ideal for digital creators. Make sure your business type is supported in your selected country. 6. Create and host your product: eBooks, courses. Use Gumroad, Teachable, Kajabi. Memberships: Patreon, Substack. Digital tools: sell via AppSumo, own landing page. Protect your content and deliver it instantly. 7. Build a sales funnel: landing page, right pointing arrow, free lead magnet, right pointing arrow, email list, right pointing arrow, paid offer. Use tools like ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, MailerLite. The funnel is the core of digital sales. 8. Launch with marketing: use content: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Run ads on Meta or Google. Build a community on Discord, Telegram, or Facebook groups. Position yourself as an expert. 9. Automate and scale: automate emails, orders, payments, and customer support. Use AI tools for content, customer service, and analytics. Hire VAS or freelancers to free your time. 10. Keep it legal and protected: draft terms of service and privacy policy. Ensure GDPR compliance for EU users. Use contracts and license agreements for your products. You don't need an MBA or a huge budget. Just the right mindset, tools, and structure. 2025 is the perfect time to start, and you don't have to go big, just go smart. Let's make your digital business real.